got good ruffles. He has a boo-boo on his face. Oh, that's very good, huh? You like. What do you think? BJ, did you eat all that already? Was it yummy? What do you think, Johnny? Is that yum yum? Really good, huh? Ooh. How Maui. What do you think, Merlin? Merlin. Is that good? Yummy. What do you think, Charlie? Hi, Charlie. Spencer. You like your yum-yums? Yes, you do. Hey, Norton. Are you having yum-yums? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Is that good? You like that? Hi, Scarlett. Ooh. Scarlett's got yum-yums, too. Hello, darling. Geronimo, what you got? You got good stuff? How about you, Buttons? Oh, look at Buttons. He's got good stuff. Yeah. And we're soaking it in water, huh? You like that, Poe? How about you? Was that yummy? Did you like that, Santina? How about you, Holly? Did you finish yours? You finish yours? Hi, Holly.